Hello everyone, this is Ariane Arsenault from La Fille de la Mer, and I am inviting you today to join along as I am making some solid bubble bath for Valentine's Day. I know it's early, but you know, I sell online and I need my package to have the time to get on their way to whoever is going to be buying my cute Valentine's Day hearts. I am using the bath bomb press, they're double press, and Lee has sent me the cutest little heart tops for my heart mold. So if you already have a heart mold from the bath bomb press, you can simply buy these little tops, and they made the cutest little heart, like the candy heart for Valentine's Day. They're super cute. Here they are, voila. And here is one of the tests that I made this week with Handmade in Florida's formula for solid bubble bath using the bath bomb press, and they turned out so cute. If you want to learn how to make solid bubble bath, I highly recommend that you enroll in the solid bubble bath course by Handmade in Florida. It is linked in the description box down below. I am an affiliate, so I get a commission when you use my links. And this course includes the original solid bubble bath, the one that is scoopable and moldable. It also includes the bubble bath icing to dip your solid bubble bath or bath bombs in and decorate, and also the bubble press formula that I'm going to be using today. I'm going to be putting a mask on because this is very dusty and I don't want to breathe in the baking soda and the SLSA that are going in there. So first I'm going to sift out all of my dry ingredients, and then we will be right back to combine the liquids. It's now time to add my wet ingredients into the dry powder mixture. I'm just going to loosely pack my mold to 100 grams so that all of my solid bubble bath are the same weight. right, I will try the Be Mine and another XOXO. That one is actually my favorite. So to remove these, you just gotta use something else. It can be another mold and just kind of help, oops, broke that one, break the pressure. There we go, here's the Be Mine. And the one that did break, it's actually the first time that I do break one. I'm just gonna crumble it back into the mix and press it again. The red mix is now ready to press, and I scented it in Cinnamon Sugar by Brambleberry. This is one of my favorite scents. I love it. I just love cinnamon, and this one just has the perfect sweetness to it. I'm gonna lightly dust my molds with cornstarch so that I don't have any sticking. And this is a makeup brush that I bought for my products, for whenever I need to dust or apply mica on bath bombs. Right. Okay. How cute are these? There's a little bit of cornstarch, but I'm gonna dust that off once they are hardened. And I love you. I always make a batch a little bit bigger than what I actually need, and just in case, you know, I like to have extra. So I'm using my moon press to not waste the remaining powder, which is not quite big enough to make a heart. So I'm just gonna press it down. And voila. We can bring this at home, and the kids can be my guinea pigs for the new solid bubble bath. I'm just kidding. I already tested myself. Here's my third color for today. I will probably be making more of these, but the day's almost over, so this is my last batch. It is Amethyst by the Fizz Fairy, and I scented it with the Brambleberry fragrance oil. Like, they actually have a fragrance called Brambleberry, and it smells very nice. It's very, very delicious, like. It smells awesome. Okay. So I'm gonna put this on a scale and start pressing more hearts. And at the beginning, I was actually dusting my mold with a little bit of cornstarch, and while it does help with the release, you could still see the cornstarch on the hearts. So I decided to try the good old cyclomethicone trick and coated my mold with cyclomethicone, and it works great. And actually my cinnamon hearts turned out even better. So I'm gonna keep on doing that. I've already primed my molds with some cyclomethicone, but what I do is I just have a little medical wipe, and then I put some cyclomethicone on it, and then I just apply it like that on the top and bottom part of my mold, making sure that I go all the way around the edges. And I can press maybe 2-3 times, and then I prime it again. And voila, that's as easy as it gets. Making solid bubble bath using the same machine, the same molds as making bath bombs. So same equipment, 2 different products. I personally love that. The moon presses are really cute too. I think I may make a little flower series with my moon presses. Well, thank you so much for watching, everybody. I'm gonna finish pressing up this batch and I'm gonna let them dry. They do become really, really hard and very solid. And then to use these solid bubble bath, all you need to do is run them under hot water while filling up your bath. You can put them in a small strainer and then just kind of shake it under the stream of water. And then you remove them from the water when you have enough lather, and you let the rest dry until the next time you take a bath. If you want lots of bubbles, you can put the whole heart in your bath. If you want just a little bit of bubbles, you can use 1 heart for maybe 2, 3, 4 baths. It depends on how much bubbles you like. Thank you so much for watching. If you would like the link to enroll in the solid bubble bath class, it will be in the description box down below. If you have any questions or comments, don't hesitate to leave them in the comment section. And if you're a maker, I also leave useful links for you guys. You can follow me and support my channel via Patreon and all my social media. Thank you so much. Take care, and I will see you next time.